Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply a limit to all apps and categories on Mac. So if you want to reduce your overall screen time instead of limiting just one or two apps or category, screen time allows you to apply a single day limit to almost every app on your Mac. Rather than selecting individual category like social media or games, you can choose all apps and categories which apply the same time limit across all supported apps and websites. This is especially useful if you are trying to build a healthier screen habit or want a stricter screen time restriction for yourself or your child's Mac. So to apply a limit to all app and category, click on the Apple logo first and then choose system settings. Now go to screen time and here click on app limits in the right side pane. After that, make sure to enable the toggle right to app limits and then click on add limit. And now at the top of category list, select all apps and categories, and this will apply one shared time limit to all supported app and website instead of limiting one at a single time. Next, choose how you like to schedule to work. If you want the same limit every day, then select every day here and then use the time selector on the right and choose the amount of time you want to allow each day. And if you want a different limit throughout the week, choose custom and then click on edit and assign a separate time limit for each day of the week. Once you have finished, click on done and then click on done again, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.